If you've never been to Drie Berge Caravan Park near Brits, you definitely need to get there. They've got one of the best campsites that we've been to, and it's literally outside of Pretoria and Johannesburg. There's big, clean pools. Um, they've got slides everywhere. All the slides looks like they just bought them yesterday. Everything's working. The all the slides, even if you're the only one busy swimming, the slides is going. The water is coming down. It's just crystal clear water. The grass is green, perfectly maintained. Um, there's all kinds of different slides, all kinds of activities. There's trampolines. There's big swings. There's you can play volleyball. There's even a rugby post put up so you can kick some rugby ball with a nice lawn and around it. Um, there's you can see there's all nice big swings that you can swing quite differently than a normal swing. Um, there's big shade trees everywhere. There's nice grass. It's not felt grass that's been cut. It's actual proper kikuyu grass with nice all various variations of shade. Then they've also got a nice little dam where they've got a couple of kayaks and oars that you can basically just, you don't need to book or pay for it. Then they've got the little pond and there's bridges and there's a place where you can have a party or some event if you may be having a birthday or some celebration. Very nicely maintained also. There's chairs, there's tables for it available. You can see there's braai areas, there's benches. If you don't bring your own chairs, that you also still sorted. You don't need to carry everything with you when you go to the pool. Um, it, it's really everything that you can think of has been thought of. It's really well thought out caravan park. So they've got the pool area, the indoor pool area, which has three pools basically. It's also a very open structure so that there's always a constant breeze. It's no like some camping, the indoor pools is just so humid and it almost you don't feel like swimming in there. You think you're going to catch something. This one is completely different. It's very open. The pools, it's basically like an outside pool with a nice big roof over. So there's one cold one inside, one warm one, and then a kiddies pool. Kiddies pool has two nice slides, and it's also a warm kiddies pool, so they enjoy it no matter how cold it is. It was quite rainy on the Sunday, and our kids just still love the pool. So definitely the indoor area, you can see there, it's very big, very spacious. There's ablutions inside there. Just very nice. There's really nothing one can find fault there. The campsites themselves, very open, very big stands. You can probably fit four of some campsites in one of these. Very right by the river. There's plenty of good things to say about this. The best is to go and explore it yourself. It's always very clean, always maintained. There's bins for everybody's got their own bin. You've got your own bra, your own tap, everything at your own stand. There's plenty of birds in the trees here. There's crocodile. We actually saw a crocodile swimming, and he ended up on the rock there at the back. But there's plenty of birds making nests, gathering food, gathering everything that they need. It is just a splendid place to look. You can sit there and look around just for hours. Always something new to see. Little animals, lots of all kinds of birds, all kinds of little creatures, and things in the trees that you can see. we saw this, I'd say, a teenager crocodile swimming past our, right past our campsite. He was on his way somewhere. He took a quick stop and then eventually got out of the water by one big rock near the birds, and he just stayed there for most of the rest of the day. He didn't move an inch after that. Then there's a 4x4 route and a hiking trail that you can go on. Also a very nice addition.